Hi guys, welcome back to the Drive Life channel, and today we're talking about my Volvo S80 and in particular a issue that I found with it. So we're just sort of in the midst, this is sort of a quick break from Storm Chiara. You may have seen it all over the news, but obviously we've had a lot of rain recently and I've noticed that the windscreen is leaking. Obviously it's all dry now, so you won't be able to see, but essentially there is water coming into the car from the top of the windscreen here. So I had a look on the forums, and it turns out this is a very common issue on these P3 chassis Volvos. Essentially what a lot of people on the forums are reporting is that they're having the same issue, but when they've had windscreen replacements, there's been quite a shocking discovery. And Volvo are well aware of this, because they actually started replacing some under warranty. In Sweden especially they've done so, but in the UK a lot of the dealers don't want to know. And basically what they've done is they've actually not bonded the top of the windscreen in on your original Volvo windscreen, which is why you're getting water coming in. So as you can see, this is the standard original windscreen on this car. It's a 2009 Volvo S80, and yeah, it's, I don't know what's going on with the blur there, but yeah, essentially what they do, what people are finding is that the windscreen is bonded with adhesive down the side here, across the bottom, and up to the top on that side. But actually they're finding no sort of bonding or adhesive along the top of the windscreen. And obviously this brings a few safety questions into play as well, because there's been a few reports of the windscreens of these cars popping out in accidents. So again, bit of a safety issue. And like I said, in Sweden they've replaced all of these free of charge, but in the UK, because obviously Volvo UK and Volvo Sweden are two different companies, so they're run by different people, all under the Volvo sort of total global brand, but they're seen as two companies, so they work differently, and that's why you get these inconsistencies. So yeah, if your P3 Volvo is having similar issues, this is the same on the, well, it starts from everything from the S60 to the S80 here, the V70, the XC70, XC60 and XC90, which come from sort of 2007, late 2007, right up to 2014, then you may find this issue. I'm not sure if they actually replaced it or redid it once it all sort of came out in the press, but yeah, so that's why your windscreen is leaking from the top, and that's sort of Volvo's major manufacturing defect or fail on these cars, is that yeah, they haven't basically stuck the windscreen in properly. But like I said, this car's 10 years old or 11 years old, and it's still on its original windscreen, so it hasn't been enough of an issue for people to get it done. So there are cases I've heard of on the forums. I'm speaking to a few people, and they say that actually what they do is they either have the whole screen replaced, so it stops leaking, or they have the screen removed and then rebonded at the top. But during this process, the actual windscreen can break, which again just causes further issues. So yeah, it's a bit of a shame, but it doesn't really affect these cars too badly. They're still good cars, so I'm still going to continue to love my Volvo, but yeah, the more you know, the better. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe on the video. Let me know if you've had this issue on your P3 Volvo. It's a bit of an odd one, being from BMWs. I've never really come across anything like that, but yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video. Cheers.